But you packed the flashlight, the blanket, and the mat. It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are putting Christmas things away. So we're just going to go around the house. It is pretty much trashed. If you see the living room, it's disastrous. So we need to put everything away, just kind of have a fresh, clean slate for the new year. We need to put the Christmas tree away, the decorations, everything like that. And I think I'm going to start upstairs just to kind of get a few things from my son's room because he has a few decorations in there. And then we're going to move downstairs. Let me show you what we're working with. Okay, so this side doesn't look too bad, but when you look on this side, oh my goodness, we have quite a bit of tidying up to do. So yeah, this is everything that we're going to tackle today. Let me know if you guys have taken down your Christmas decorations yet, or if you're still waiting after New Year's. But yeah, going to do that today. So I'm going to head upstairs to his room and start tidying up in there. I'm going to take one of the boxes with me so I can put things in there as well. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so here we are. I've kind of took out all of the Christmas pajamas and little like Christmassy jumpers that we have so that we can put those away. I'm going to need to tidy up his Christmas tree. He's got this little one in here. So he's got some window like Christmassy sticky things on there. So I'm going to take those off. I'm just gonna put everything in this basket. Gonna need to put the kelp all away. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do. But we have been sick so much in December. So I think in December Victor's been cold. Like he had a cold for 3 times or 4 times, and I got it from him as well. Every single time. You can probably still hear I'm not like 100% back to normal, but yeah, it's been rough for him with the colds this year, so hopefully it won't be like this the rest of the winter. But yeah, fingers crossed. So yeah, that's why the kelp pole is right there. Yeah, so let's go ahead and tidy up all of these bits in here.
I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was crappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new. It's 5:30 a.m.
Okay, all finished upstairs, and I'm now going to move downstairs. I just took out some of the things that we had on our front door, like on our front porch. You okay? And I'm going to move into the kitchen because I have a few things kind of on the windowsill. What are you up to? So I'm going to take those down and put them in one of the boxes as well. Oh, what have you got there? You taking a video like mommy? A picture? Wow. Cheese! Cheese. You are so cute. So this is the box that I filled from upstairs. And then these are just some things that I took out from our front door. Just gonna need to take the lights out of this. I took batteries out. And then I have just a few things here on the windowsill. So just those little houses. Those are the cute little houses that I got from M&S. Yeah. Those little houses, because they're Christmassy ones. And we'll take them out next year.
This one?
Yeah, all of them.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want
Okay, kitchen is done. I honestly really love that fresh feeling, like after you take everything down. It's really nice to have it kind of Christmassy for the holidays, but then after Christmas is over, I'm like, I need all of this stuff out of my house. So now we've got to tackle the biggest mess of them all. And I'm kind of terrified to get started, to be honest, but it needs to be done today. Yes, so let's tackle this. I don't even know where to start, to be honest. I think I'm going to start by putting these train tracks away. And then take the Christmas tree down, because I don't even have space to take it down at the moment. But yeah, let's go ahead and do this.
Oh no, with your words on repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You turned me upside down and then you're in my bed and under my skin. Oh, where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. You into my bed and under my skin. But where will it end if I let it begin? It's trick or treat, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round. I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers, feel like we're far apart. Stripping down the middle, I'm stripping down the middle, I'm stripping down the middle. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. I keep on holding things within me. I keep it deep inside myself. I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers, feel like we're far apart. Strip it down the middle, strip it down the middle.
ready to go to the garage.
This is not what we should be. Thought to get the best of me. This is how we should be. Thought to get the best of me. This is how we should be. Thought to get the best of me.
Okay, the Christmas tree is out. Everything's back in the garage and it's just kind of back to normal. It feels so refreshing. So yeah, that's me done for the day. It took me quite a few hours to do this. Yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!